In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically switch slides in Microsoft PowerPoint step by step so your presentation can run on its own without you needing to click through every slide manually. This is super useful for kiosk presentations, self-running slideshows, school projects, business demos, trade shows, and anytime you want your PowerPoint to move forward automatically at the right pace. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on any slide to begin. You can start with the first slide or any slide in the deck because the settings we're about to change can be applied to one slide or to every slide in the presentation. Next, look at the top ribbon and click the Transitions tab. This is where PowerPoint controls how one slide moves to the next. Once you're in the Transitions tab, find the Timing section. This is the key area for making your slides change automatically. In that section, you'll see an option called On Mouse Click. By default, PowerPoint often has this enabled, which means the presenter has to click manually to go to the next slide. To make the presentation automatic, uncheck On Mouse Click. That tells PowerPoint not to wait for your mouse before moving forward. After that, find the option called After and check that box. When you enable After, PowerPoint allows you to set a timer for each slide. In the box next to it, enter the amount of time you want each slide to stay on screen. For example, if you want the slide to move after 3 seconds, type 3. You can choose a longer or shorter time depending on how much content is on each slide and how fast you want the presentation to move. If your slides have a lot of text, you may want more time. If they're simple and visual, you may want less. Now here's an important step. If you want every slide in the presentation to switch automatically using the same timing, click Apply to All. This is what makes the setting consistent across the entire deck instead of just the slide you selected. If you skip this step, only the current slide will use the automatic transition setting, and the rest may still require manual clicks. Once you click Apply to All, PowerPoint will update every slide in the presentation with the automatic timing you set. At this point, your slides are ready to run automatically. To test it, go into slideshow mode and watch the presentation play. You should see each slide advance after the time you selected without needing to click anything. If a slide is moving too quickly or too slowly, just go back to the Transitions tab and adjust the time in the After box until it feels right. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple clicks, you can make Microsoft PowerPoint automatically switch slides and create a smooth, hands-free presentation. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.